Alright, you little nerds. Today we're going to learn about the 4-step problem-solving model. Yay! Okay, the 4-step problem-solving model goes like this. Understand, plan, solve, and reflect. Now, here's an example of a problem we can use this model to solve, okay? Let's imagine Emma has 10 cars, okay? She's loaded, she's got dough. But then Kevin comes in and takes away 2 cars, okay? Let's use the 4-step, no wait. How many cars does she have left? Let's use the 4-step problem-solving model. Okay, first, understand. We have to understand the problem. How many cars did Emma have in the first place? She had 10 cars. How many cars did Kevin take away? Well, he took away 2 cars. Okay, now what are they asking us to solve for? Well, how many cars does she have after Kevin took away those 2 cars? How many does she have left? Now we come up with a plan. You can come up with all sorts of different plans, okay? You could try to use like an addition or a subtraction, or you could grab like little rocks and you can use them to solve the problem, or you could use like a shovel and hit your brother over the head. Don't do that, actually. Don't hit people over the head with shovels. That's a bad thing to do. A little goober. Or you could find something else. Today we're going to use subtraction because you're taking away something, okay? So she started with 10. Now we're going to subtract 2. Okay? That's our plan. Now, step 3. We solve for it. On our plan was going to use subtraction, start with 10, and we take away 2. Now, what does that solve for? That solves for 8. She has 8 remaining cars. We did it. Now it's time for reflection. Reflection. Does this make sense? Does this answer make sense? Well, we can figure out if the answer makes sense by actually doing the problem. You could go to actual cars and you could count out cars and you can take away 2 in your head and then see how many are left. Or you could do another problem and use the same method and see if you get the same result, okay? Now let's do another example. Imagine Emma now has, let's say 12 balloons, okay? Emma's got a lot of stuff today. She's balling. And then let's say Veronica comes and steals 5. And then let's say Josh comes and gives back 6. How many balloons does Veronica have after all that? Well, let's use our model to figure it out. Step 1, understand the problem, okay? Well, how many balloons did Emma have in the first place? She had 12. How many did Veronica take from her? Veronica took 5, okay? Then, how many? Did I get this confused? Veronica took 5, okay? And then how much did Josh give back? Josh gave back 6. So, we understand the problem. Oh wait, no, we don't. What do they want us to solve? They want us to solve how many balloons Emma has after all this happens. Okay, now we understand the problem. Now we need to come up with the solution. Well, let's think. Emma had 12, and then Veronica took 5 away. That sounds like subtraction, so let's use subtraction there. And then Josh gave back 6. That sounds like addition. You're giving something, you're adding something. So let's use addition there. Okay, now we've come up with a plan. Now step 3, solving it. Okay. Let's use 12 minus 5 equals 7. Then 7 plus 6 equals 13. So we solved it!
Yay!
Now we have to reflect. Okay, now we could reflect. We can use this on another issue or see if this answer really makes sense. We could grab actual balloons and we can take 5 away, then we can put 12 back. We can do this to check if it works. And using this 4-step problem solving model, we can solve so many different things, and you will come to find out that we can. And you can use it in your everyday life. So go and solve some problems. Go do it now. Now, go do it. Go do it. Do it. Do it. Stay in school.